Pop into English. The story of microwave popcorn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its many expressions. Today, we're popping into a topic that's both tasty and interesting: microwave popcorn. It's a phrase you might come across in everyday English conversations, especially when talking about movies, snacks, or quick cooking. So, let's get into the kernel of this topic and explore what microwave popcorn really means and where it comes from. Stay tuned. Microwave popcorn refers to a convenient, pre-packaged form of popcorn that is designed to be cooked in a microwave oven. Inside each package is a blend of popcorn kernels, oil, and flavorings. When you heat it in the microwave, the kernels pop, and in just a few minutes, you have a warm, buttery snack ready to enjoy. This simple yet ingenious invention has revolutionized the way we consume popcorn, making it an accessible treat for movie nights at home, quick snacks, or anytime you crave something salty and satisfying. The journey of microwave popcorn began in the late 20th century, alongside the rise of microwave ovens in households. Before this, popcorn was traditionally made on the stove or with specialized popping machines. However, the invention of microwave popcorn provided a new level of convenience and simplicity. It was introduced to the market in the early 1980s, quickly becoming popular for its ease of use and the instant gratification it provided. The popularity of microwave popcorn soared as more households acquired microwave ovens, making it a staple snack for many. Making microwave popcorn is straightforward. 1. Read the instructions on the packet. Different brands might have slightly different cooking times. 2. Place the packet in the microwave with the correct side up, as indicated on the package. 3. Set the microwave for the suggested time. It's usually around 2 to 4 minutes, but keep an ear out for the popping to slow down, signaling it's done. 4. Carefully open the bag after it's done to avoid steam burns, and voila! Your popcorn is ready to eat. Microwave popcorn comes in a wide array of flavors and types, catering to different tastes and dietary preferences. From the classic butter and salt combination to more gourmet options like cheddar cheese, caramel, or even spicy varieties, there's something for everyone. There are also healthier options available, such as low-fat, low-sodium, or even organic popcorn, ensuring that you can enjoy this snack without straying from your dietary goals. We hope you enjoyed this crunchy journey into the world of microwave popcorn. It's more than just a snack. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the quest for convenience in our fast-paced world. Whether you're settling in for a movie night or just need a quick, satisfying snack, microwave popcorn is there to make your life a little bit easier and a lot more delicious. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been as enjoyable as a fresh bag of popcorn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative English language content. See you next time.